Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Go High Level. So let me take you to the website, which is gohighlevel.com. I'll mention the link in the video description for your quick reference. Now, for the ones who don't know about them, Go High Level is an all-in-one marketing and sales platform for agencies and small businesses. It includes tools for CRM, marketing automation, landing pages, sales funnels, appointment scheduling, and reputation management. The platform allows for white labeling as well, enabling agencies to rebrand it as their own. GoHighLevel aims to simplify and streamline marketing and sales tasks by consolidating multiple tools into one platform. So no longer you need multiple tools, just come to high level, use it for your business or for the business that you know or manage. So let's learn more about them. On the website, you can scroll down and you can see what you can get from them. You can capture new leads, you can convert that lead into customers, you can fully automate booking, create membership areas, close more deals, grow your business with them, and do many more things. And if you scroll down, you can see the pricing as well here, the starter. So you can start with $97 per month with the starter pack, and this is what you will get in that. And then with unlimited, you could get everything that's here plus more as well. And that will be at the price of $297 per month. This is great. You can also start a free trial, and then if you like it, you can continue thereafter. But that's not exactly why we're here. Unless you want to become part of Go High Level, you want to use them for your business, that's totally up to you. But we are here to earn money from Go High Level. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Go High Level, start promoting them to our audience and bring these audience to Go High Level. And when we generate revenue for Go High Level, we could end up getting commission. So for that, on their website, on the footer section, you can hover over affiliate program. You can click on these two things, become an affiliate and affiliate agreement. So if I click on affiliate agreement, it will take me to affiliate agreement in here. And sure, you click on it and you read it carefully. This is something that you are allowed to do and what you're not allowed to do. And once you have read it, you can come here on the homepage again, affiliate program. If you haven't yet clicked on it, you can click on become an affiliate, which will take you to this page. This is the affiliate program information page of High Level, or rather Go High Level. Over here, you can scroll down and you can see the high level, or rather the Go High Level affiliate program is giving away electric vehicles as well, if of course you get chance for it. So you can watch the video to learn how to get it. And if you scroll down, you can see here, as of June 2024, high level affiliates have earned over $52 million and still counting. That's amazing. And if you scroll down here, you can see the commission rate as well. That means high level pays 40% monthly recurring commission. That's not just 40% of the revenue one time, it's 40% monthly recurring commission. That means if you bring a person to them who, let's say, has been using their services for over a year, for each month or for each year, whenever they'll pay, you'll get 40% of that amount. That's amazing. That's like 40% recurring commission lifetime. Then if you scroll down, you can see here what is so special about high level software. So small businesses owners know how to run the show. Digital marketing agencies owners know how to make sure that people show up. High level software is simply the most robust system to help agencies continue to support small businesses. So basically, they provide a very simplified platform which can be utilized by small businesses and digital marketing agencies. Now you have read it enough. What about you want to join the affiliate program? For that, you can simply click on create my free affiliate account, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on login if you already have an account with them. Let's assume you create an account, and if you want to log in, you can click on login, which will take you to this page. You can bookmark this page for future reference. And once you have an account, you can simply use email address and password combination and get yourself into the dashboard. But to create an account on the sign up page, you could enter your email address. And sure, you should have access to this email address because all the communication would come to this email address. Then you can enter your first name. Now, all the information I'm going to write here, that will be dummy, just for the educational purpose. In your case, whatever information you write, ensure it should be correct, up to date per your knowledge. This is super important. This is very important when you are part of the affiliate marketing. The brand should be totally aware of your at least basic information. Then comes the company name. So let's say if you are representing a company, then you can write the company name here. If you have your own company where you plan to promote Go High Level, you can write that company. But in case if you have not, you don't have any company, or you're not even presenting any company, you can simply write the name of your website, blog, or social media page. Doesn't matter. In my case, let's assume that I have my website called A3 Marketing. So I can write it here as A3 Marketing. Then you can choose a password for yourself as well. I have chosen for mine. I can enter it. You can read this. I agree to receive email notifications. Like when I earn commission, tick mark this, click on affiliate terms and condition, and tick mark this as well. But when you click on it, if you haven't read it already, it will open the affiliate terms and condition and show you read it. Tick mark this and click on sign up. When you will do, it will process the details that you have provided and will create an affiliate account for you. It will be super quick. You see, the affiliate account just got created. Amazing. Now, once you're here, this is called affiliate dashboard. As I was mentioning before, once you've created an account, you can simply come to this URL and enter the credential and get in the dashboard. So this is what you will see. Once you're here for the first time, I suggest you click on edit profile and update all the pending details. You can update your last name. You can give your website if you have it. Website or blog doesn't matter. You can also give your company registration number, web ID if available, country, address, phone number, and update your social info as well. Let's say if you have social media account, you can mention the URL of the social media account and click on update profile. After updating your details, you can come to dashboard again. Just click on dashboard. It will take you to the home page. Over here, you can see the refer. This is the quick states, the refers, customers, clicks, and unpaid earning. And if you scroll down, you can see the commission rate as well. And not just that, you could even recruit affiliates and you could get 5%. For example, if you refer someone and if that person refers someone, not only they'll get 40% because of referring, you would also get 5% on top of that. So that's amazing. Now, if you scroll down, you can see here share on social media. You can directly share from here. But what about the tracking link? You got yourself an affiliate account with high level, but how do you get a tracking link? You can take it from here. You see link. So right now, this is my tracking link. And this will, if I share this link with anyone, the entire link, of course, it will take them to the homepage of GoHighLevel. But what if I want to promote different pages of GoHighLevel? So this is the website of GoHighLevel. And if I want to promote different pages of theirs on the dashboard, I can simply click on links. And let's say I want to promote this one, 5-day AI challenge by GoHighLevel. I can click on select in here and observe the link got updated. Now I can simply copy this link and I can share it with anyone. So if let's say I share it with you, if you click on this link and observe, it will take me to the AI challenge page. So this is how you can create your tracking link and you can start promoting them. Now, if you refresh the home page, since you have made a click on the tracking link, you see it generated a click. So it's real time. Amazing. So this way you can promote any of these pages. You can simply click on select, copy it, and share it. You can even customize it. For example, if you don't want to see this auto-generated name in here, you can click on customize link and update whatever name. Maybe you can update it with your name. And this way, this reference ID will be your ID or your name ID basically. Then there are some frequently asked questions. So when will I get paid? Payments are released on the 10th to 15th of every month. Check out affiliate payment article for all frequently asked questions. Now, I highly recommend that you click on this article and you read it. We will also talk on that in a few minutes from now. To summarize, all the commissions that you earn in this month, you can expect to get it in between 10 to 15 of the following month. Now, can you sign up using your own referral link? No, you cannot. It's strictly prohibited. Can you sign up on behalf of any clients through your own referral link? That's also not allowed. So every customer has to do sign up themselves. Now, your friends sign up without using the referral link. What can you do? Simply reach out to them, go to this Help Center article link, and reach out to them through the support medium available and just talk to them. They will help you. Now, you can't see any signups or rewards. So this is an explanation why that is the case. Their tracking is based on browser cookies. So if your potential leads use a different browser device from the visit to sign up, clear the cookies or use incognito, the sign up might not be tracked. If you're 100% sure that the sign up or sale was not tracked correctly, you can reach out to the support team as well. And then what if you have more cushion? Again, you reach out to the support team using this article. Now you have read the frequently asked questions, you know how to get the tracking link, but how exactly can you promote Go High Level? That's another question, isn't it? So there are many ways you could promote them, but still I'm gonna cover a few. So one is website or blog. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, maybe just put an advertisement somewhere on your website which is prominent and could lead to small businesses to go high level and create their go high level account. So you could do that. Another way is blog. Maybe you can write different thing about go high level on your blog using blog posts, multiple blog posts, and then share your tracking link somewhere within the blog post itself. This way interested parties would click on it, would buy subscriptions, and you will get the commission, of course recurring commission. The second way here is a social media. So on social media, that means Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, all these amazing platforms are out there. You can create videos, you can create reels, you can even post about go high level along with your tracking link, and this way you can bring you can recruit people from these social media platforms as well. The third way would be amazing. It will be SaaS website, basically software as a service website. People come to these kind of websites to learn all about different softwares available. So maybe if you have such a website available, you could promote Go High Level on such a website of yours. So you have started promoting them through the mediums you like, and you started bringing revenue to Go High Level. Where would you see your performance? That's another question. For that, you can go to your dashboard once again. Over here, you can click on details, and this is where you will see your performance. You'll see for each day, you will see click, sign up, customers, and earning. You can change it to last 4 weeks or last 6 months. If you click on refers, you'll see here the refers. You could filter it by leads, free trial, paying, or cancel. Then if you click on rewards, so here you will see the commission that's being generated. And these are sub-affiliates, basically the refers of yours, which are bringing more refers. And hence, not only they are earning commission, but you're also earning commission. And then over here, you can click on payouts, and here you will see all the commission that's being issued. That arises another question: how to set up the payment method, isn't it? Like you have started earning commission, and you know whatever commission that's get generated in this month, you'll get it by the 15th of the coming month. But how do you set up the payment method, and where do you set it up? So it should be on this article. So it's the same article that I asked you to open when you were reading the frequently asked questions from the homepage. So over here, you can see Tipalti is a more robust payment system that Go High Level currently uses. So the payment method are through Tipalti. So let's say if you have an affiliate account with Go High Level, you can expect a Tipalti setup link on your email address. Once you receive it, you can set up any of these payment methods. So for US-based affiliates, you can set direct deposit, PayPal, or debit card. And for international affiliates, you could set ACH transfer, PayPal, or debit card. Now, what do you need to do? So all the affiliates are expected to get the link, but in case if you don't receive the link, you can reach out to this email address. You can request for your Tipalti link. Now, for the ones who already have a Go High Level customer account, in that case, you can follow these steps in here. So they have written here, you can set it up on your customer account as well. Apart from it, if you have any question related to the payment, you can read all this. For example, this, I got a commission of 30, but I don't see that as a payout I'm getting. So that means you see your commission for the last month's $30, and you have even set up your payment details. So still you don't get paid out for that. The reason why, because it's $50 minimum. So there's a $50 minimum for a payout to be sent out. As soon as your total commission accrued is higher than $50, you will receive a payout in the following month. That's another thing to keep in mind. And the another important thing is for all the commission that are getting generated in the month of January, let's say, for example, you must set up your payment method by the 15th of January for you to get a payment in the coming month. So this is how you create an affiliate account with Go High Level, start promoting them, start earning commission, and start getting commission from them. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Go High Level. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on that. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.